Hello, trainers. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 22nd. This is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we do have a new structure level right here because price did make a new high today, and this is a series of higher highs, higher lows from all the way down here. So this does look like it is going to break structure, which to me pretty much proves this whole series of higher highs, higher lows is over. I definitely don't think the trend is over on the very high time frames, but now that it's about to break structure, I definitely don't see why we can't potentially exit our longs and potentially even make a couple decent sorting opportunities at the end of pullbacks while this thing plays out in some sort of an ABC correction, most likely a correction to this whole move up. And once it does break structure, I will definitely throw my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, look for 3 waves down, look for a Fibonacci bounce, look for a golfing up to eventually go long, maybe on Monday, Tuesday next week for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.